Building a voice-powered chat assistant used to feel like rocket science, but what if I told you it's now as simple as a few lines of code? In this video, we're going to demystify VAPI AI and show you exactly how to create intelligent and responsive chat assistants that engage your users without any complex algorithms. So let's get started. But before that, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It really helps us out and ensures you won't miss any of the cool tools and tips we've got coming your way. Okay, so this here is the landing page, and as you can see that we have an option to try for free, and we're going to click on it. Which brings us to this sign-in page where you can sign into VAPI. You can see that we can log in through Google, GitHub, or Discord. I'll go on and log in with my Google account. Logging in brings us to this page, and here you're going to click on Get Started, and then Create Assistant, which brings us here, where you can choose the name of your assistant, and you can choose a blank template so that you can create a custom assistant for you, how you want it to be. But for the demo, I'll go with a quick start and choose from one of the already given assistants. I'll just go with Appointment Setter, and you can see the assistant's name is Mary, and we're going to click on Create Assistant. And this brings us to the page where you can configure the model for your assistant. Here you have the first message, and this is going to be the first thing your assistant says when someone interacts with it. So you can choose the opening line here. And coming down, we have the most important thing, the system prompt. These are all the instructions that you're going to give to your model that your model is going to follow. And you have to be very careful and precise with the instructions. You have to tell it what it has to do and ask people, like here you have, ask their full name, ask for the purpose of their appointment, and stuff like that. You can use AI to help you write the system prompt. And once you're done with that, you can go here on Transcriber, and you can just choose the default settings, or you can change them. In voice, you have the provider voices. There are many options, and you also have 11 labs. You can connect to 11 labs, make a clone of your voice, and use it as the assistant's voice. And then we have functions, and advanced, and analysis, that you can choose to use the default or change them. Coming back to the model, at the right side, we have the provider here. I'm just going with the default one. You can choose what you want. Then we have the model. Again, I'm going with the default. You can choose your own. And then knowledge, base, and temperature. Then coming up, we have the cost. You can see that this model costs $0.09, and then we have the latency. After confirming all this, publish it. And then to interact with your assistant, go on the top right corner and click Talk to Assistant. This is how the assistant interacted with me.
This is Mary from Mary's Dental. How can I assist you today?
I was hoping to book an appointment.
Great. I'd be happy to help with that. First things first, can I get your full name, please?
Yeah, my name is Jack Graham.
Nice to meet you, Ajit Ram. What are we seeing you for today?
No, my name is Jack Graham.
Oops, sorry about that, Jack. What brings you to Mary's Dental today?
I was hoping to book an appointment for scaling.
Got it, Jack. Now, how about we lock in a date and time for your appointment? What day and time works best for you?
Can we do it for Thursday at 6 p.m.?
Thursday at 6 p.m. it is. You're all set for your scaling appointment. Thanks for choosing Mary's Dental, Jack.
Thank you very much. I'll see you then.
Great. We're looking forward to seeing you, Jack. Take care.
Okay, so that was very, very impressive. It did lag a bit in the first line, but that was probably due to the network issue, and then it took the name wrong. But that was an issue from my side. I said the name quickly, so it couldn't understand. But other than that, it was very professional, and I'm very, very impressed with that. Now, if you click on the 3 dots on the side of Talk to Assistant, here you can see that you have the option of call logs. You can click on the call logs, and this brings you to this backlog. You can see all the calls that I've done with the assistant. You can click on the call, and you can see all the recordings here. You can listen to the recording of the call, as you can see, and then you can also click on transcript and see the chat that you did with the assistant. Now, if you look on the left side below assistants, you will see phone numbers. What you can do here is that you can connect your mobile phone to the assistant for calls. You can import from Twilio, Vonage, or create a free number directly from VAPI. What you are going to do is that you are going to click on Create Phone Number, and you can see that you have the options here to create or how to connect the assistant to your phone. Now, below the phone number, you can see we have files, tools, blocks, squads, etc. You can check them out. Going to the left bottom, click on your email here, and then go on billing. You can see that we are on a free trial right now. So, that means that VAPI is not totally free to use forever. When the trial is over and you want to create an assistant, you will need to purchase the subscription. You can check it out from here. And that concludes our VAPI AI tutorial. I hope you enjoyed the video and it was useful for you. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and see you in the next video.